Sometimes in the course of managing our site, we need to remove a page from the site. That's really easy to do. Just go to the Pages section of the Super dashboard, navigate to the page that you want to remove, click on the page to double check that this is the right one, and then click on the three dots next to the page and select Remove Page. This will remove this page and any of its children as well. I click Remove and the page is gone. Now I haven't removed this page from Notion yet, which means that Super will find this page again and add it back to the site because sync URLs is turned on. So what I also need to do is go back into my Notion account, find that subpage, and then remove that as well. By removing the page from Notion as well, we prevent the page from automatically being added back into Super.